Happy New Year and greetings, my friends and all purpose-driven individuals and friends of progress. I extend a heartfelt invitation to a night of book signing, recognition, inspiration, and community unity. Join us on March 2nd, 2024, where Colloquium with Purpose presents a colloquium in pursuit of purpose hosted at Shiloh High School in Snellville, Georgia. This isn't just a book signing event. It's a celebration of purpose, passion, and the people who transform our community daily through dedication and service. Enjoy an evening filled with the energy of inspiration and the warmth of community spirit. We gather to honor the unsung heroes among us, the dedicated individuals whose purposeful work and service have significantly impacted our community. These are the change makers, the kind-hearted, and the relentless spirits who commit their lives to making a difference. As the evening unfolds, witness the heartfelt awards ceremony where we shine a light on those who serve tirelessly and love generously. These community members, educators, and students exemplify what it means to lead with purpose and compassion. Celebrate their achievements, learn from their experiences, and be inspired to contribute your verse to the ongoing story of our community. This event is a gathering of hearts and minds committed to fostering a better tomorrow. A Collision with Purpose presents a colloquium in pursuit of purpose is an opportunity to come together, celebrate the power of community service, and reinforce our commitment to our collective journey of creating meaningful.
A collision with purpose, in pursuit of purpose.